Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk skill reading part ke-6. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul untuk teman-teman saksikan. Baik, kita langsung saja. Yang pertama, Analysis on Strategies in Teaching Reading Comprehension at Senior High School. 2. Applying Speed Reading Technique to Increase the Reading Comprehension of the 10th grade student of Junior High School. 3. Double Entry Journal for Assessing Learning Critical Thinking in Reading Class of 11th grade student of Junior High School. 4. Enhancing the reading ability of the 11th grade student of senior high school through DARE atau Drop Everything and Read technique. 5. Enhancing the student reading comprehension of narrative text through Team Fire Solo technique. 6. Improving student reading comprehension by using Mobile Legend game. Berikutnya, judul yang ketujuh, Improving the Reading Comprehension by using Star Simple Stories atau Triple S method of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 8. Improving the reading comprehension of the 8th grade student of junior high school by using class-wide peer tutoring. 9. Improving the student reading skill by using flash fiction story. Berikutnya judul yang ke-10, Increasing Student Motivation in Learning English Reading Through Participatory Approach to the Second Year Student. 11. Lexical Density of Reading Material in English Textbook for the 10th grade students, Interlanguage and Pathway to English. 12. Norms in the Reading Process of the Senior High School English Textbook. Berikutnya judul yang ke-13, Peer Reviewing Promoting Student Reading Proficiency through Reciprocal Teaching. 14. Reading Comprehension in Narrative Text of the 10th grade student of Senior High School solved by using imaginative reading materials. 15. Reading Comprehension of the 8th grade student of Junior High School solved by using One Stay the Rest Try atau OSRS technique. Berikutnya judul yang ke-16, Reading Comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school solved by using bilingual glossary. 17. Reading strategies used by male and female students in comprehending English text. 18. Silent card shuffle strategy to teach reading to the 8th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya judul yang ke-19, Teachers Strategies in Teaching Reading via Online Class. 20. Teaching Reading Comprehension for the 11th grade student of junior high school through text coding. 21. Teaching Reading Comprehension for the 10th grade student of senior high school by using REP atau Read Output Strategy. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-22, The Ability of the Identifying Generic Structure of Reading Text of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 23. The Analysis of Logico-Semantic Relation of Reading Text in Interlanguage Book written by Joko Priana. 24. The Effectiveness of Using Cursory Reading Technique in Increasing the Second Year Student Reading Achievement of Senior High School. 25. The Effectiveness of Using Directed Reading Thinking Activity Strategy to improve the student ability in finding main idea and word meaning of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 26. The Effectiveness of Using OK5R to teach reading narrative text at the 7th grade student of junior high school. 27. The Effectiveness of Using online newspaper to improve reading comprehension ability at the 1st grade student of senior high school. Berikutnya, 28. The Effectiveness of Using Paraphrasing Descriptive Text to improve the student's reading comprehension at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 29. The Effectiveness of Using Filmanism to improve student reading comprehension ability on the 8th grade student of junior high school. 30. The effectiveness of using phonetic transcription to increase the student reading aloud ability for the A grade student of junior high school. 31. The effectiveness of using read aloud technique in teaching reading of narrative text at the A grade student of junior high school. 32. The effectiveness of using REAP atau Read, Encode, Annotate, and Ponder strategy to improve reading comprehension ability in narrative text at the A grade student of junior high school. 33. The effectiveness of using somatic, auditory, visual, dan intellectual atau SAVI as the teaching method to increase the student reading skill at the 11th grade student of senior high school. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-34, The Effectiveness of Using SQ3R as a Method to Improve the Student Reading Comprehension on the A grade student of junior high school. 35. The Effectiveness of Using SQ4R Method to Improve the Student Ability in Reading Narrative Text at the 10th grade student of junior high school. 36. The effectiveness of using Team-Assisted Individualization atau TAE method to improve reading comprehension ability in narrative text for A grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya, 37. The effectiveness of using Think Word Weaving technique to improve student reading skill of the descriptive text at the 7th grade of junior high school. 38. The effectiveness of using three phases technique in teaching reading comprehension of narrative text at the A grade student of junior high school. 39. The effectiveness of storyline technique in teaching reading of the 7th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-40, The Influence of Metacognitive Strategy on Reading Comprehension of Narrative Text of the 10th grade student of junior high school. 41. The Reading Comprehension in Narrative Text of the Science and Language Programs of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 42. The Reading Comprehension of Descriptive Text of the A grade student of junior high school solved by using Course Review Hooray. Judul berikutnya yang ke-43, The Reading Comprehension of Hortatory Exposition Text of the 11th grade student of senior high school by using summarizing strategies. 44. The Reading Comprehension of Narrative Text of the A grade student of junior high school solved by using whole brain technique. 45. The Reading Comprehension of the A grade student of junior high school solved by using inference strategy. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-46, The Reading Comprehension of the A grade student of junior high school solved by using CORI, Concept, Oriented, Reading, and Instruction. 47. The Reading Comprehension of the A grade student of junior high school solved by using STAR Simple Story Activity. 48. The Reading Comprehension of the 9th grade student of junior high school solved by using mediated instruction of text. 49. The Reading Comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school solved by using classroom discussion strategy. 50. The Reading Comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school solved by using experience text relationship atau ETR method. 51. The Reading Comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school solved by using carousel brainstorming. Terima kasih telah menyaksikan kumpulan skripsi bahasa Inggris di The Reading Part 5. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Untuk materi dalam bentuk tertulis, silakan kunjungi amininfo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.